so these are my keto friendly things that I got at Walmart. So, like I said, I seen Ella Lifts Bacon with these in her little what I ate in a day yesterday, and they looked really good. Cherry lemonade. I love cherry lemonade, so I'm excited to try these, especially in a can. Convenience. I like it. Needed some more cold brew coffee. They have the Great Value cold brew coffee there now. It was like $3.50, so that was a pretty good deal for that. Melanie Hind over at Princess Ninja and Keto, she gets this avocado mash and it looks delicious. So I'm getting it. It is 1 net carb per serving, and it's like literally just avocado, lemon juice, sea salt, black pepper. Yes, please. Got that. I got the big old bag of Max pork rinds, which is delicious. I got this 8-pack of burgers. What is this? I didn't even see. 73 lean, 27 fat. I wish I would have got 80-20. I didn't pay attention. I just grabbed it because this was actually on sale. It was fairly cheap, and I cannot remember the price. I'm sorry. But I want to cook these up and then put them into the refrigerator so we can easily have these, just like the kids can eat these while I'm at work. This was on sale for $3.50, this ground turkey. I thought I got another one of this. Am I missing a bag? I think I might be missing a bag because I know. I'll be right back. Okay, so I knew there was a bag missing because I got 3 of these of the clear American ice, and those were like 50 cents. And then I can't take this out of the bag because they didn't have any freaking like bags near their meats, which was weird. It's a big thing of chicken. It's nasty. I need to repackage it because it's leaking. So I got that, and then I got all this pepperoni for the pizza bake that I'm going to make. I got some thick cut bacon, some mild cheddar cheese, some provolone cheese, and then this is also for the bake, some shredded mozzarella. So that is what I got. Thank you again, Erin. I appreciate it. Very helpful.